So you get your pattern paper, you divide it into two, one for the front and one for the back. At the up side, you come down by 5 inch, and at the side, you come in by 3 or 2 inches, and then you draft your basic bodice with a basic dart. Then you take your shoulder to connect with your basic bodice dart. So you just see what I'm doing. So for the neckline, you would do for the front 3.5 by 3 inches down, and for the back by 1 inches for the depth. And then you will divide your shoulder into two and connect it to meet the dart that you have taken down. So to get your breaking point, you come down by your nipple to nipple measurement, the shoulder to nipple measurement you have taken by 1 inch, and then you connect it down. And to get the side slant, you come in by 3 inches, and you go up by 2 inches and connect it. So you go up by 2 inches and come in by 3 inches, and then you connect the slant together. So you need to extend it out. So you measure that back dart, and then you take the extension out for the outer neck. So that your back dart, you take the round measurement of that 1 inch down, and then you extend it up. And then you want to get the outer neck, so you connect from your armhole side, you connect to meet that shoulder dart that you have taken, and then you extend it up to meet the other line for the front. You see, the first line you take, you extend the other one so that they can be equal, and that's your outer neck. Then you go to create a dart at that shoulder to your armhole side, so that you can avoid gaping at that side. You just create a dart, and then you connect it like what I'm doing, and you curve your side, and that's all you have gotten for the front side. So lastly, you will connect that line up to meet the breaking point for the outer neck. So that outer neck line, you connect it down to make the breaking point. You can make yours curve if you don't want your bust revealing, because if you slant it like that, your bust definitely is going to reveal at a point. So if you don't want yours revealing, you can curve it at the point. So that's what you have, and the next thing you do is to cut it out. So you go ahead to do your back pattern. For your back pattern, you are just using from your armhole down to the side, and then you can come in by 1 inch down to just slope it behind from the up part, but you don't need to touch the edge of it. So you just slope it, and that's all for your back pattern. If you're not comfortable about the distance that you have for your outer neck, you can go ahead to curve it in to slant it. Let's say you want to work with a 1 inch for your outer neck, you can go ahead to just shaping it out, to just curve it out from the armhole side and curve it to meet the armhole, just so that it can be slant, you can be small like this. And that is all for the tutorial. Bye.